Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Haroldus and today I want to talk about a recent research paper from Apple. So the paper is titled GSM-Symbolic Understanding the Limitation of Mathematical Reasoning in Large Language Models, and it explores the true extent of mathematical reasoning capabilities in large language models and proposes new benchmarks to test these capabilities more rigorously. The following will be my thoughts on this paper and LLMs reasoning in general. A current popular benchmark for LLMs and their mathematical abilities is the GSM-8K dataset. This is essentially a set of grade school math problems. The main problem with this dataset that it is always the same, meaning that even though new LLMs gain higher and higher scores at it, this might not be because the LLMs are actually better at math problems, but because it has more training data and has seen similar problems in training. To address the problem of the current benchmark, the authors of the paper created the GSM-Symbolic flexible benchmark using symbolic templates that allow generating various math problems by altering values, names, or complexity in questions. This enables a controlled study of how LLMs perform on varied problems instances. The results from running the new benchmark showed the following. So first, variability in model performance. LLMs show significant performance variations on similar questions when only superficial elements like numerical values are altered. This suggests that rather than logical reasoning, models often rely on pattern matching from the training data. Second is sensitivity to complexity. As the complexity, meaning the number of clauses in question increases, performance declines significantly. This reinforces that LLMs struggle with formal reasoning and compound logical steps. Third, fragility in handling irrelevant information. Using the GSM and OOP variant, which includes irrelevant statements, the paper reveals that even minor non-contributive changes in the question lead up to 65% performance drops. This indicates LLMs lack the ability to ignore irrelevant data, highlighting issues in genuine comprehension. So in conclusion, the paper suggests that LLMs do not possess authentic mathematical reasoning capabilities and are limited by their reliance on training data patterns. These findings indicate that more advanced evaluation methods and further research are essential to develop an LLM or an AI system that can perform logical reasoning instead of probabilistic pattern matching. In terms of reasoning, I think that all of the current LLMs don't have any true reasoning, even though some of them can show you how they got to the answer that they provided you. There isn't any actual logical thought in there. So as much as it might seem like LLMs are getting better and smarter, I think it seems like this because they are getting trained on more and more data, so they're providing more accurate answers. But this is not because they're actually developing any kind of reasoning or brain. I will leave the link to this paper in the description. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.